Hey, it's Mike from SEOT Mindset. Sometimes I feel overwhelmed because there's too much to do and not enough time to do it. So something I am working on is listening to productivity podcasts and books, and the idea about capturing all of your ideas and putting them in one place. So I use Zoho Project to try to organize my to-do list, which is working great, except once I put all of my things to do into this inbox project, it takes 9 clicks to move that into the actual project. And I'm trying to figure out a faster way to do this. I'm sure it's possible. There's got to be a faster way to move things. And I thought maybe you could automate it. Zoho Project allows you to do some pretty cool automation stuff. So you can set up these custom workflow rules. And I tried to assign a task based on a certain criteria. But the problem is, with the task feature, you can't actually assign it to a different project. That's not one of the options that you have. And so then really what I'm probably going to have to do is create a custom function, which I'm not loving that idea. They do have something called Zoho Flow, which is like Zapier, which I like a lot. And they have this option to be able to update a task or a subtask, but unfortunately choosing a project can only be done with a drop-down menu. You can't actually insert a variable, and that's a known issue to them. So I'm hoping if I reach out to the wonderful people at Zoho Support, maybe they can figure out a way to, with the click of a button, move a task to a predetermined project, which would just make my life so much easier than clicking 9 different things at once. I'll keep you posted.